Why is popcorn the ultimate movie snack? Back in the early 1900s, theaters hated popcorn. Owners thought it was too messy and too cheap. They wanted movies to feel classy. But in the 1930s, movie theaters were struggling during the Great Depression. Ticket sales were down, but popcorn vendors outside theaters were booming. So theaters had a bright idea: sell popcorn inside. They was cheap, easy to make, and smelled amazing, instantly making theaters more profitable. By the 1950s, popcorn was everywhere in cinemas, and it's been the perfect movie companion ever since.